Hey friends, thank you so much for tuning into my channel. I am Tish and I love that you are here with me today. Today's video is a very quick tutorial on how to create your very own note cards. I personally think in 2021 that the art of letter writing and even note card writing and sending is not dead. I don't think that it will die. I think that it will be a continuous thing that is classic and always puts a smile on the recipient's face. So I like to go through note cards all of the time. I send them to friends, family. It could be the waiter. It can be someone that helps me at the doctor's office. Just anyone, clients. I will send a note card, a thank you, or get well, I'm thinking of you, or hey, you got this, I love what you do, and you know, just anything. And some of the note cards that you typically purchase in a store has a specific message already written on them. They're not universal, and I do buy those. And you know, I will get them from my local craft store or anywhere that sells note cards. I will purchase them in colors that I like, or that are very classic and can be, you know, sent to not only women but men, or those who just don't like color. But today's video is not about the store-bought cards. It's about what you can do right now in the comfort of your own home. So if you're interested, I want you to stay tuned to see how you can make your very own note card that you will love to send, and you'll always have an abundance of them in your possession. Stay tuned. I am in love with having cute thank you cards on hand. I will send these to friends. I will also send them to clients, and I'll put them in packages. You know, I will find a way to thank somebody, and so I use quite a bit of these. And these are some, this one right here came from Hobby Lobby, and I love pink and green together, and of course black and white is one of those classic combinations. So this one came from Hobby Lobby, and it has this fold. So I would say it's almost like an A5 size folded, and maybe this one says Hallmark, but I kept these on hand, you know, because these are a little bit more you know, plain, and if I wanted to gift it to a gentleman, I could. But this is not what the video is about. It is about making your very own note cards that you can have on hand, and you can always find something that you really, really like. So I am going to start off by letting you know that I get these A2 size white envelopes from my local office supply store. They come in a box of 100, more than enough than I need. So an A2 size envelope can be purchased at your local office supply store. These have a regular flap. And what I use to make my own note cards when I want to do something a little bit different is I use scrapbook paper. Let me tell you about these. And I have a few others that I'm not going to show in this video, but the regular price on this was $21.99. These were on clearance. All of these were on clearance for about $4 and some change. All of them were under $5. And there's so many different designs in these. If you want to make note cards for your kids, you know, just thumb through. These would be really good to package up in gifts, or just to, you know, get your little one in the art of note card making. And I'm just thumbing through some of these before I show you exactly how I cut them down to size. But so many different options can come from these packs. So if you happen to see a pack of scrapbook paper that you really, really like, go ahead and grab it, because the opportunities are limitless in what you can do. I love this. This is called Navy Safari. I love what this is giving. Look at that. Isn't that pretty? So I am going to show you quickly. I don't have to show you several times because when I tell you, it is super, super simple. So let's find, I'll use something bright for the sake of the video. And all I am going to do is find a sheet of paper that I like. Let's go with this fun one right here. Okay. And you can make these for yourself, and I even think that they would be good if you packaged a few of them up with envelopes and gave these as gifts to your girlfriends. I think that that would be a really nice gift. Now, they wouldn't have thank you or anything on the front, but I could also, you know, see if you wanted to pull out your Cricut or your Silhouette machine and, you know, add some vinyl detail to it. So I am going to use my huge X-Acto paper cutter, and I want to cut this down to 5 1/2. That'll be the width. I'm going to do 5 1/2 by 8 1/2, and that's typically what an 8 1/2 by 11 sheet of paper would be. Okay, so here it is. It's already taken shape, right? The only difference in these is, you know, you have the decorative front, and then typically on the back, they're plain. The design doesn't carry on to the back side, but with yours, you'll have a front and a back. So I'm just gonna fold it in half. You can go ahead and press it down. I am going to use my little bone tool to score that and give it a nice clean fold. Friends, that's it. That's it. Can you see that? My note card is now created and ready to be sent. And it will fit perfectly in an A2 size envelope. So, are you seeing where we can take this? You can create so many different note cards just by using scrapbook paper and envelopes found at your local office supply store. I hope that you find this tutorial fun, quick, and easy, and something that you definitely can do. If so, leave me a comment down below. Be sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel if you have not. I'd love for you to stick around and we hang out more often. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, have a great day.